Hey guys, Tariq here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to center your text in Premiere Pro. I've got some stock footage in my timeline, and now I'm going to add some text. You can do this by clicking on this icon, or by simply clicking the T key. From here, I'll just click anywhere to add some example text. Now to center the text within the frame, I'll get my select tool, and I'll begin to drag the text in the program window while holding the Command or Control key. Do you see the red guidelines appear? My text is also now snapping in place. You can then release the text once it's centered. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like this video for the YouTube algorithm, for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. I also go over video editing pointers in my 8 Premiere Pro tips that every video editor must know video. I'll link that video in the YouTube card above. Thanks for watching, guys.